Hello and welcome to this video on Manage Methods Classroom Manager. Today we'll be discussing the Your Classes section of Classroom Manager. This section is going to be the location where you'll see all the various classrooms that you've been assigned. This will either be done based on Google Classroom integration or SIS integration. This will be the first screen you see when you log into Classroom Manager and it will display your various classrooms. A couple quick important points. First off, the session duration will always default to 60 minutes, but that is changeable. It can be changed from anywhere from 15 minutes to 90 minutes. It also does support custom schedules as well too. This will just be a specific time frame for the classroom that you're going to start via the Start Session button. Classroom Manager also does support scheduled classes, which we'll come to in a moment. Here you'll see first off a name of your classroom. You can click the edit pencil here, which allows you to potentially change the name of the classroom. You also then have options to more permanently remove or add students to the classroom if needed, though unlikely that will happen. To the right of that, there is a schedule button here, and this allows you to generate a schedule for the specific classroom in question. To create a schedule, you click the Add New Schedule button, you click your start date, and then you select your end date. You also select the specific times in question that your classroom will be occurring. Of course, in most cases, it won't be occurring in the evening time here, but I could go ahead and set something like this, where my class lasts for a half hour or however long it needs to, or an hour potentially. I can also choose the days of the week that my class will be going, and then I press the Save button and that will generate a schedule for this classroom. The added benefit of using schedules is those sessions will automatically start as soon as the classroom reaches that time frame. So at 8:30 every morning, this classroom would automatically now start once I press the Save button here on the Classroom Manager, and it would start from the dates of today's date all the way to the 31st here as well. Additionally, there is an audit log of the classrooms too. This is more for your benefit, as well as if you need audit logs. So this will provide information on things like blocked sites, if you've closed a tab of a student, if you sent any one-way announcements to students, things of that nature. And then lastly, for non-Google Classrooms or SIS classrooms, there's a delete option to remove that classroom. Not something that you'll probably be seeing too often or need to do in most cases. So that's the basics of getting started. If you are going to manually start a classroom, the final thing is to start the session. And starting session will actually go ahead and pull the students in to that classroom session. Thanks so much for watching this first video here on the Your Classes section. Next up, we'll talk about the actual sessions themselves and some of the feature functionality found within.